Hi everyone, it's Sandy here and welcome back to my channel. I have here a fun and simple project to share with you all. It's a perfect little project if you wanted to add something into your Happy Mail package. It's also a great project if you are in a swap group, because with this project you can get 4 of these cute little mini flip books with one piece of 12 by 12 paper. So if you are in a swap group with 4 people, you can make 4 of them and you can hand one out to each of your partners. So it's a cute little 3 by 3 mini flip book with a pocket, and I'm going to show you 2 that I've made here. And it was really easy to make. I just had so much fun making these, and I'll show you how they look like, and then I'll also show you a quick tutorial on how you can make one of these as well. These are also great to gift to your crafty friend as well, and it's just a nice little idea if you wanted to write something in the flip book and also add a little gift into it as well. So this is my front page, and then you just turn it over, and on this page here I just added a little pocket with one of my scrap papers. Then I could add some of my cutter parts in there, and then I also put in here a mini file folder using my We Are Memory Keepers mini envelope punch board. So that goes in there. And then this page here I've just embellished this side, and then I use some of my scrap papers to just add a flag page to the edge of the page, just to give it more decoration, and it just looks more prettier as well. So that's this page, and then you turn that over. I've put on this side a mini envelope. I used again with the We Are Memory Keepers envelope punch board, and you can put a few little goodies in there as well. So you can add a little envelope onto that side, and this side here I just simply embellished it with some of my die cuts and ephemera. And up here is the little pocket. I've got in there some tags. These tags here were gifted to me from one of my swap partners, so I've just put them in here. And this little pocket, you can also put in here tea bags, you can put a gift card in here, whatever you like. So you can use that as your place to add your little goodies, and then you can also use these pages here where you can write your notes. You can also use it as just somewhere to write a little journaling page, or also as a mini album. So that's one of them, and this is the other one. And I used the Kaiser craft paper for these 2 little mini flip books. So that was my front page, and this is a word die that I purchased online. And then I've just embellished this page. I didn't add a pocket to this side, but on this side here I had some scrap paper, and then I've just folded the paper in half, and then I'll use that as a place to write a note in there. And then again I decorated that with a little bit of a flag page to decorate that, and then also on this side. And the next page here, again I just embellished that side. I added the envelope on this side, again just a little place to add a little somewhere to add some goodies in there. So that's in there. And this is the pocket. I've put in here just some ephemeras in a clear seal bag, and I decorated my own little bag topper. And to make this bag topper I also used the We Are Memory Keepers envelope punch board. So that goes in this pocket. So yes, this is just a fun little project if you wanted to make something quick and you just wanted to add something extra to your Happy Mail. So to make one of those, all you need is a piece of paper, and you need to cut it at 3 inches by 12 inches. And then you need to score it. Now if you don't have a scoreboard, that's okay, you can just make your mark with a pencil. I won't bring the scoreboard out, but all you need to do on the 12-inch side, you just want to score it at every 3 inches. So you want to score it at 3 inches, 6 inches and 9 inches, and that's all you need to do with that part. And if you're using double-sided paper, you just need to decide which side you want as your front page. So whatever you want as your front page, so this will be my front page, you just want your paper facing down, and on the middle score line we're just going to simply fold that in half. We'll just fold that in half. just quickly fold that down. And then with this side here, on that score line there, we're just going to fold it back on that score line, just like that. And then this page here, we're going to fold that on top of that. And then you'll have that. So that creates your little 3x3 mini flip book. So when you open it up, you get that page, then you get this page, and that will be your pocket up here. Just a couple of things first. So when you fold this over, you'll notice that you'll have a little bit of piece of your paper sticking out on that second page there. You can leave that as it is, or you can just trim it down like I have with my other projects. I'm just going to trim that down. So I'll just open that up. So it's actually your the end bit of your on the 12-inch side. You just need to just trim that off just ever so slightly, just a little bit. So I'll just trim onto about that much, and that should give you a neat edge to your booklet, as you can see there. And what you can do here next is you can corner around your corner edge as well. So you can do that first if you wanted to. So we might go ahead, I'll corner around the corners. So I'll just do that and use my corner rounder punch on all of them, on each page, and then also at the part that's folded in half, just like that. And if you wanted to add a thumb notch like I have here, you can also do that as well. So to do that, you're just going to open up your paper, and on the third panel, which is this one here, you're just going to use your circle a round punch and just do that, and that will create that thumb notch. So what we'll do now to create the pocket and to create the pages, you can use your liquid glue or your double-sided tape. Use your thin double-sided tape to do this part. So on that first fold line, we're just going to put some glue under below that fold line, not on the fold line, but just below that fold line. And it's the same with the double-sided tape. Just adhere it to the bottom of that fold line. And then we're just going to also do the same and apply a bit of glue or tape to the bottom. Just like that. That will create your pocket. So we'll just bring this whole bit over now and then just seal that off. And that will create that pocket in there. And then you've got your two little pages. So I'll just take this out. So what you'll have here is you'll have your front page with that page. You'll have your next page. And then you've got your pocket at the back in there. And that is it. Such a quick and simple project. It's a great project if you need to create something last minute. We all have some bits and pieces of paper that's probably lying around that's 3 inches by 12 inches. So go ahead and make one of these cute little tiny 3x3 mini flip book with pockets, with a pocket. And if you do make these and you are a follower of mine on Instagram, I love to see what you make and what you created and how you decorate and embellish your flip books. And if you do, hashtag Septeria18, so that way I could also see your projects, and also tag me in your Instagram so I could also have a look at them as well. And I do hope you give this a go. I had a lot of fun making these, and I will see you in my next video. Bye for now.